Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we are discussing a strategy that called the rock strategy. This one is gonna be a bomb, guys. Watch this video to the very end. Don't even skip a second because you may miss an information that is very vital. Okay, please, if you are new to this channel, kindly please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified once we upload a new video. Please subscribe, it's very important so that you get notified once we upload a new video. Okay, yeah, we are gonna be talking about an awesome strategy that I was using, and I just got it right now again. Okay, this is called the rock strategy. First of all, this is the sniper strategy. So if you want to look about this, they want to talk about the sniper strategy, you want to see how it works, probably go to the video description. You will get sniper strategy, or you can check the channel for that video. It is awesome. It is awesome. Don't miss that strategy. You can check other videos on the channel to get awesome strategies to trade for yourself. All right, guys, let's get back to business. I told you guys this is gonna be a bomb, and you can now swing trade with this. You can swing trade long time with this strategy if you want to trade. Okay, now let me show you the setups. First of all, I will remove the first strategy that is there, which is the sniper setup. Let us leave our setup like this. Now this is what we were going to be using to trade with this strategy. Okay, I repeat, this strategy is called the rock strategy. When I say that, I know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, guys, please, one more thing, please. I want us to get this channel to a thousand subscribers before the end of this month, and I know that we can do that. Just please, guys, keep sharing this video. Share this video, refer your friends, recommend your friends on this channel, and I know before the end of this month we should hit 1,000 subscribers, and by then you will be getting an other strategies that is warming up. Yeah, now this is HumbleFx. Okay, what we're going to be doing now is this is ADS. Now you will know the power of ADS and the power of the alligator. Right, you see that our screen is actually blank, but let me put something right there to make it look sweet. All right, I will put something there. Okay, all right. This thing, if you are losing money to derive with this strategy, you will gain your money back. You can't lose your money again to derive. You can't lose your money again to derive. All right, this is something that I put on the main chart. Okay, let me put something else there so that it will make that uh, it will make it very sweet. Default, this one should be default. Okay, and I'll turn all these things on my background color. All right, this one I should make it 4 pixels. May give it a blue color. This one should be my background color, 1 pixel background color. Okay, I will make it done. Yeah, 1 pixel done. Okay, guys, yeah, this is the setup. This is setup for this strategy, and it is awesome. It is very, very awesome. Sorry for this stupid thing happening in this my chart here. It should be my background color. Sorry for this the nonsense happening here. Okay, now let me show you the setup for so that we'll get to see our work. All right, this is the ADS that I'm talking about. The ADS is right here, and here is the alligator coupled with a moving average and the RSI. Okay, how does this strategy work? How do we use this strategy? Like I said, guys, don't skip this video. Don't skip a bit, because you may miss an important information on this strategy and it will hurt you a lot. First of all, let us check the zoom level. Okay, I don't want to answer question on the zoom level. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Zoom level we're using is, we're going to zoom it out. We could use this zoom level, that is, you zoom it out once, or this zoom level. Okay, this is the two zoom levels we are using. Either you zoom it out from zoom level 1, you just send it out once, or this. Those two zoom levels is what we are using, but I'll be focusing on this one. Okay, now how do we take our trade? How do we confirm our trade and enter the market? All right, we enter it through using this ADS right here, the ADS here. Okay, and the alligator. Now, what is the prerequisite for the entry? First of all, you have to see that ADS is converging. This is a 5-minute time frame. If you want to swing trade, this is a strategy you can use to scalp and to swing trade. Let me say, if you want to swing trade, you can enter into 5 minutes or 15-minute time frame. Okay, or even 1 hour or so. All right, let me say yes, 5 minutes of 15 minutes time frame and all that. Okay, let us use 5 minutes. Now we want to swing trade. You're going to wait for the ADS to converge. Okay, the ADS converging. Wait for the ADS to converge like this. When it's converged, we are now getting ready to buy the crash. All right, we'll now also wait for a cross on the alligator and the moving average at the window indicator 1. Now look at it here. There is a convergence here in the ADS. All right, there is a convergence in the ADS right here. And also look at the window indicator 1. The black line is crossing over the purple line. The black line is the moving average, and the purple line is the first color of the alligator. It is crossing over here, right here. Look at where it's crossing over, and already we have a convergence in the ADS here. So we are not afraid of the market will buy. We know it will buy for long, and look at it. It bought. All right, it bought. Now it is coming down to converge, coming down again. Once there is a convergence in this market, okay, and this moves here, come down to the oversold area, level 20 or level 10, and it each cross each other. I'm going to buy again long. All right, see, this is the first example we just take right now. Okay, see another example here. There is the convergence right from this side. It is converging, until there is a cross in this market right here. Guy, what's up? It bought. All right, it bought. And look at it, very easy. And this is another example for here. Another example here. A convergence here, a cross here, and a buy. Okay, we look at this place. Although this is not actually at the oversold level, it converged here, but this is not at the oversold level, so it's not a perfect trade. Okay, it's not a perfect trade, so we should not take that such trade, except you want to risk you have other things that you confirm your market with. Okay, also there is a convergence here at the ADS, but our alligator is not telling us the same thing. So entering it, you are entering only with one confirmation, no confluence. So the risk involved is about 30%. So you see, you can actually wait for a perfect setup to show. Okay, but if you see the only alligator confirms, you can take the trade. Okay, if you see the only alligator uh market confirmed, you can take the trade. Look at it here. There is a crossover right here in the 5 minute time frame at the oversold level. Right, look at what's happened here. It's bought. All right, also here a crossover in the oversold level here, right here. It crossed over right from this point. It bought a little, have a drop down, which is normal to do in crash and boom. The spike is also the part of movement in crash, so don't be afraid of spike in boom and crash. Look at it also, it's crossed over here and hence it's bought. All right, so this is how simple. Now what do we do the using the 200 average I put in the main chart to do? That is what I called the dynamic strength index. It is used to know the market direction. Okay, you could see that when the market crosses over it above, it turns on an uptrend and it's moved up a bit before it crosses downward and starts moving downward. Okay, and what is the work of the Ichimoku that I inserted on the main chart? It is used to catch your spike. Okay, that's why I call this is a rock strategy, because it contains so many things. It is due to catch spike. As if you can see what happens there, once the market has turned to a downtrend, okay, when the market touches the Ichimoku, it spike. The Ichimoku is spike. Whenever it touches the Ichimoku, there was a spike until the market crossed it over and it turns to an uptrend again. Right, so with this setup, you can use it to catch spike and also trade in normal markets. Okay, now I would like us to check out crash 500. This is crash 1000, crash 500. Anyway, it works the same way with crash 500 and crash 1000. So let us check for boom. We just talk about crash right now. This is boom 500, right? Boom 500 is this. Okay, we are selling the boom. Okay, look at guys, watch out the setup. The convergence is here and the cross is here at the same time. This is a perfect entry, and the market is actually below the 200 moving average, which is the black line here, below the 200 moving average, giving us three confluence to trade the market. The 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 divergence here plus the crossing of the alligator, right? The alligator and the MA here, we should enter the market and look at what's happened. It's sold and it is still selling. Okay, that is how to use it here. Look at also here, this actually is a convergence right here. A convergence right here is also a sell, but is not confirmed, since the alligator is still going down. Okay, but you can still join a trend if you can risk some percentage of your money in pullback. Okay, now look at another pure trade here, a convergence right here, a cross right here, and you see how simple it's crossed over here, and there's already a divergence here, a convergence here. All right, then you take a trade and write it down. Okay, but I'll just want you guys, if you want to swing trade, you can swing trade. But if you don't uh swing trade, you can take 2 trade candles of this market. It is 5 minute time frame. You can take 2 3 candles, and that is a good trade for you. You can also trade it on a higher time frame. When it shows up on a high time frame, it gives you more confidence. Okay, it gives you more confidence and you can stay a bit longer. Look at what's happened here in the higher time frame. This is it is already this is boom 500. There is a convergence in this particular place. Okay, that is where it is. There is a convergence in this particular place, and this alligator is already at the oversold level. So we could just neglect the market. Okay, we could just neglect it, or we follow the trend alongside. All right, now look at also right here, look at right here, a convergence in the ADS, all right, and the crossover in the alligator and the moving average. You could see how distant it moved. It crossover here and a divergence. You could see, I know if you know you are swing trading, you should expect pullback. You don't just expect a direct profit from day one. You expect pullbacks for a swing trading, because you are taking pips, longer pips than usual. Now this is how you can swing trade with the strategy. Now let us talk about scalping, which is the main area where most of us will fall into. That is, we go on the 1 minute time frame. This is where most of us is going to fall into, because you can scalp your market and take your profit easily. All right, now this is the market. On this 1 minute time frame, we are most focused on the alligator here. When there is a crossover at the top here, look at this here at the top here, you can take your 5 to 10 candles. I repeat, when there's a crossover, I take 5 candles, 5 candles, actually take 5 candles, and take your profit. All right, look at a crossover happened right here. 5 candles, you take 5 candles. Another crossover happened right here before a spike happened. Another crossover happened right here. You are taking your 5 candles as well before the spike happened. All right, and again it is below the 200 MA. All right, now look at again here, there is a crossover at the alligator right here. You could take your 5 candles and you get out of the market. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. All right, look at another entry here. It's crossed over here and give you profit. Okay, that is how simple and easy. And if you want to catch spike in this market, then you have to wait for an uptrend to start. Look at the uptrend. This actually crossed at the oversold level and is spiking. Once you see that the market has turned to an uptrend, you now place your market at when the market near is actually at the Ichimoku on the main chart. That is the work of that one, to catch spike. When it is at the level of Ichimoku, then you will expect a spike. Look at what happened here. It turns to an uptrend right here. A spike happened here. When it's near Ichimoku, it spike. When it crossed Ichimoku, it spike. It crossed Ichimoku right here not long ago. It spiked again. So you could take all this spike until the market comes down and crosses again back the MA200 the main chart. All right, so this is very simple, guys. Very simple, guys. Very simple, very simple. All right, try this thing on demo. Try it on demo first. Don't rush into a live account, guys. Check it out on demo and know how it works. You can twist it to suit your trading style. I tell people it's not about doing it the way it was done. You can actually fashion it the way you want it to work for you. All right, but this is how it works. This is the rock strategy, the rock itself. Unbreakable. Okay, you can actually use this to make a lot of money for yourself if actually you are following the instruction and the market analysis. Okay, now I'm not talking about the market structure right now. We're going to be doing that sometime in the in this channel. Please, guys, we make this channel hit a 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month, and we're going to enjoy the market. If you want to get my free indicator, you want to get my free custom indicator, guys, check this video description to see the instruction on how to get it for free. I mean, total free. You will get my free strategy, my free indicators Just follow the instructions on the video description, okay, and join the group in the video description. Join the group and meet other traders, okay guys. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. Thank you so much and remain blessed. All right, see you next on the video coming up. It's gonna be an awesome one too. Don't miss it. Don't miss it, guys. This is HumbleFx signing out.